gonna go on one adventure to find 2 toys, maybe, or one. And I'm gonna go to Toys R Us today, not Target, maybe Target, but I'm gonna look for toys, and I hope you like my video. Here we go, we're gonna go to Toys R Us, and I hope we have a great time finding some new toys. Everybody, my name is Austin, and I have 3 packs of Grossery Gang. One is big, one is medium, and this one is just a trash can that has 2 Grossery Gangs in it, and these are the packs. So, and what Grossery Gangs are, they are squishy little Grossery Gang toys. They're toys that are rotten food or like rotten anything. So it's squishy, and if you want to see all of them, just get a big one, and then you can look at the back. So now I'm gonna open all these toys. First, I'm gonna start with the big one. So, all of these guys, this one is a cup full of noodles, and these are the chopsticks. This one is a lump of cheese or cake. This one's a bowl of noodles, and this one is a octopus. This one is a lobster. This one is punching gloves, noodles, a blob, taco, and this one is a bird inside a hamburger. And these are the 2 trash cans that have Grossery Gangs inside of them. So what I'm gonna do is that I open this, and now I am gonna get the trash can first and put them with the big trash can, and then let's see what all these little guys look like. And looky, I got all of these guys out of the plastic. So now I'm going to show you the whole bodies of all of these characters. So this is the face, and on the face, the hair is cheese on the top, and its face is sad, and his eyes look sad, so it's maybe sad. And then look at the sides. See? It looks cool. But it also looks like there's a face on here, because the bottom line looks like it's the mouth, and then the top line looks like it's the eyes. And then the back looks like a real face, because there's a mouth, and there's eyes, and there's not a nose, but there's eyes and a mouth. And then this one looks like the same one too. So what I'm going to show you is the top now, the hair. The hair is like cheese or anything. Maybe it's cheese. And now I'm going to show you the other one. This one is a blob. It looks super sad, but its mouth is blue. And I accidentally dropped something. But the sides are just all orange. See? All orange. But its nose is so big. It's this big. Not as big as my nose, but it's this big. So now, and it looks like it has a tail right here, but that's actually just a worm crawling on his butt. I'm gonna put it down, and then here is a bird that's inside a sandwich. So here's the face. It looks squished, and now I'm going to show you the side. It's very, very big and fat. So the other side looks like that too, though. And here at the back, here is his butt, and then here is the 2 feet. Put it down. Okay, now this one is the octopus. It looks like a cool octopus. It looks like it can glow, but it can't. It looks like a chicken octopus because of its little yellow thing, but it isn't. It's just a regular octopus. And the blue stuff and the purple and the light purple stuff, that's the part of under the seat. And this one is a big cup of noodles. And here's its face, and his hair is chopsticks, and the sides are purple and white, and the other side is purple and white, and then the back is just white. And he is making a big smile. And here is the lobster. This one is red, and it looks like it's like Godzilla, but it's actually lobster. It's a lobster. And do you see right here? Those are feet, and he has 3 toes. And his sides look like this. Rawr, rawr, rawr. And his face does not look good, because he looks like he's going to destroy the whole entire world. Rawr, rawr. I like to put his name. I like his name called Taco Man, because I really like the taco truck because of the cheese roll-ups and the stuff there. But we're actually just talking about these toys here. So this guy is a taco and he's been eating all his sauce on the sides. That's his ketchup. And he took a bite of his own body. Can you believe that? And look, he looks like he ate sugar. I like my ketchup. And then the back is just yellow. Okay. Now, this one is a bowl of noodles. It's a big bowl of noodles. It's just pink and white, but its face is green because it's but it's also very cool because of its squishiness. It's squishy. And then what we have here is the punching gloves. These are gloves that you use in boxing. The hair is just slime, and then this guy punched him in right here, and then this guy's smiling. Then this guy's making a mad face, and then their whole body is just red. I like to call this guy the pizza noodle fish animal because he's a fish. He looks like he's a fish, and he looks like he stepped in pizza, and it looks like he's made out of noodles. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open this toy now. So now I'm just going to take all of these out now. Okay, now I'm going to show you what they look like now. This one is kicked in the face, and they are gonna, and he has purple eyes. That means he is hurt a lot. And then all the sides just look like he's a soccer ball. This guy is this guy is a potato mashed potato, and it has hot dog meat inside of it, and it looks like that somebody left it in the freezer for a long time. And then all the sides just look like mashed potato. This one is a glass, and they put a pumpkin in here, but it was in hollow. It was there for the it growed old, so now it's green. And then this guy is like, why do I feel so sick? And then all the sides just look like green. This one is a This one is a basket full of chicken. And this guy looks like he ate chicken inside his mouth and then he spit it out and then he ate it again. He ate all the chicken and then it grew into a rotten chicken hair. And now all the sides just look blue, but he does look sick. Now what we do is we put all of them to the side, and now we're going to open this guy. Now I just need to rip this open. Rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it. Now has bags, has one of the things that it can show you all of them. And now let's see who we got. And can you help me, please? This is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be an explosion. It's gonna be the awesomest. The clean guide, Papa. The ultimate clean. Who's this guy? Now, let's see who we got. We got, and I do not know who this guy is. Let's see. If you know this guy, tell me. Tell me. After the video. And then this guy's the ultimate clean Grossery Gang. He's supposed to be dirty, but this guy is doing a war with the bad, yucky Grossery Gang. And look at him. He is so clean, but he looks like mad. He has red eyes and black back of the eyes. Then this guy's just orange and blue. Now, the ultimate ones too. Dun dun dun! Dun dun dun! Let's open them. I don't need to close my eyes. We got one of the animals. Look at this. And he is a rotten squirrel that's been in his cave for a long time, and he's been sitting in trash. Yeah. Put those to the side and see who we got. What's this guy? It's a skateboard. I didn't see this guy yet. Is he on the manual? Look at him. Oh wow, when I squish it, it goes like this. Oh. And look, this skateboard is so old. The back of it is so yucky and dirty. And it also grew a face and eyeballs. Squish, squish. And then the last one, the ultimate. We got a skunk. Wow, this guy looks like he ate honey. And he got a leaf from a tree. And he's just black and white. And his eyes are yellow. Woo! And now for the final fight with one to the other. A fight. Will this guy make this guy clean? Or will this guy make this guy dirty? Let's see. Bah, bah. Ah, psh, ah, psh. And he is But there's still moldy spots on him. So he's dirty. But this guy's still clean. He wins. Because the Grossery Gang didn't survive. The clean game survived. Dun dun dun. And bye bye.